Loved. How you doing? So tonight we wanted to give you a little of the old and then a little bit of the new. Is that all right? Can I get an amen? All right, now that we're on the love train, you know what? You got to be optimistic about it. Everybody say, hit it, Anthony.
And I see that I'm getting by, and I hold on. Hold on. Change is coming. Change is coming. Hold on. Hold on. Don't worry. Just hold on. Hold on. You can make it. You can make it. Hold on. Hold on. Never think. Come on, right? Some people like to worry. Some people like to hide. Some people like to run away from the pain inside. Now that's your business. Do whatever you want to do. But if it don't work out, here's what you gotta do. Just hold on. Hold on. Change is coming. Change is coming. Hold on. Hold on. Don't worry. Just hold on. Hold on. You can make it. Hold on. Hold on. Everything will be alright. change is coming. Shireen, she got a little bit of something. Sandy, put your hands up with us.